And then down here is going to be some of your climate controls. Those are pretty self-explanatory as far as climate system is concerned, but something that may not be so self-explanatory is menu AC. And you can see that when you push that, you have the menu for your climate system. Something that is kind of weird is I was looking here because I see that you have dual zone climate control. You see that? But there was no sync button to where you can control the button, and it's in sync right now. But before I pressed this button, I didn't realize it even had a sync. In order to sync this system to where the driver controls the cabin temperature, see that? On both sides, you have to push this menu AC button, and you have to scroll to synchronize and activate that, and then that is what syncs it. And that is just kind of weird. It's a multi-step process just to sync your climate system.